Okay, guys, good morning. And once again, let's just do a quick recap. Quick recap of what's going on here in the markets and so on and so forth. The market had a very, very big sell off. Why? Because of the bonds. The 10-year bond went way below 1.30, came down actually just a tad below the 1.25, put a lot of pressure on the market. That's where we stand right now. It's it's a very tenuous situation in the market. Let's just say that, and we're going to make the best of what we have in front of us today, as we do each and every day. Now, again, this 42.9675, one would have to be up nicely on the day to take because we have a ZL in the way. So this is very important. It's currently 8:53 a.m. July 8th, 2021. And we're going to see what we're going to get. We should expect a lot of volatility. And we're going to have to make sure that our stops are probably a little bit larger than normal. That would be an intelligent thing to do. We may see candles today that are 8, 10, 12 points at times. So we need to be really, really, really smart. So right now, guys, we are having ZLs in the YM and the ES and so on and so forth. The market's a little stuck. Now, again, if anyone takes this trade up here at 42.9675, as long as you're up on the day and you couldn't be down on the day, if it goes against you, that's okay. You start taking profits at a point and so on and so forth. Now, we could have a situation, as I was discussing earlier, where in the bond market, if all of a sudden there's a flight to whatever it used to be called, a flight to quality, and people start rushing into bonds and gold, which is already happening. Because if we look at gold, we could see that in the last several days, gold was up a lot. So there are a lot of things that are working behind the scenes. And we're going to take advantage of those. Now, we have 4 minutes until the oil market opens in the pit. And we're all ready for that. So the ZLs are still there, which is stopping the market at this point from going any higher. But 96.75 for those who are up on the day, we could potentially get as high as 36.02 or even higher. So you have to be up on the day to be able to take that, because it's an aggressive trade and it's breaking one of our rules. It's breaking one of our rules. Okay. We have oil opening up in about 3 minutes, guys. About 3 minutes. Oops. About 3 minutes. Move this over here. Move this over here. Let's just take a look at. Again, how do we know where we're going? We know where we're going based on where we've been. And we've been all over the place, so this is not, this is a little bit more on the tricky side. But if somebody were to just come in and hasn't had a trade yet, again, this 42.96.75, no go. I got a big curly ZL. And at 11 a.m., we have oil inventories. We're 1.293 on the 10-year, guys. 1.293. Could head up as high, potentially as 1. There's 296, 1.31. Let's see, we get there to 1.3 push. Let's see what happens with that. Let's have a little sip of coffee here. It's really going to be an interesting day today, guys. All right, oil's opening up in the pit. And we're going to allow that to open up, but we're not going to get excited about it. We are not going to get excited about it. We're just hanging out at this 1.295 on the 10-year. If it gets a little bit of energy, it'll pop above that 1.3. And then perhaps the 1.31. We'll get the ORs in as soon as we possibly can. Wow, it's all the way up there. Gee whiz. Just wait a few minutes. The 10-year at about 1.29 as the crow flies. There's 1.292 again. You know, it's interesting when you watch it, they're trying to push this through that 1.3 to 1.31, all the way from that 1.26 and change. There's 1.294. You know, not a bad move. And perhaps this market, this 10-year gets back above that 1.3 to 1.31, or maybe even higher, which would be fantastic. All right, guys, we're in a holding pattern right now. We're in a holding pattern right now. The ZLs are in charge. They brought the market down from that 96.50 all the way down to 87.5. Now we are on a standby mission here at 1.295 of the 10-year. We're going to hear that a lot today. We're going to hear that a lot. And we're going to see where that goes. All right, let's get the opening in. Okay. All right. You know, as we look at the gold here, it's a real mess. Let me take a little measurement here. Let's figure out where we've been. Let's figure out where we've been. All right, so we know that's extremely important right there. We know that's extremely important right there. Let me see, is this possible? Yeah, this is possible. 1814 short. 1814 short. Now we're going to need this to really power down. 1814 short on gold. $18.14 short. We'll start taking profits at 6 ticks once we're in a free trade. Don't let your winning trade turn into a losing trade. 18.14. Come on. So we're going to come down a couple dollars just to get us in. 1814 short. Now, what's the potential? The potential is somewhere perhaps 1811, or if it gets some more energy, right down to 1808.50. All right. So I'm going to get short 1814. And we're going to see what happens. Come on. Always remember, we start taking profits at 6 ticks. Right? This is a UT. And if we have to add, it will be 20 up. 1814. Start taking profit at 6 ticks. All right, there we go. There's the 10 years of 130.5. Keep going. See, that's the beautiful thing, right? 131, hopefully be next. Okay, 1814. I'm looking to get short. We're looking to get short. $18.14. Same time, we need to keep an eye on oil. Yeah. Oil looks like Trek. 18.14. I'm looking to get short, guys. It's going to close the ZL. Come on. This 18.13.10 level is going to be a real pain in the butt. All right, so 18.14. We got to keep an eye to see that this doesn't turn into a ZL, because after this candle, it will. But I would think it would go at least 6 ticks. Now, let's see what happens. 18.14 short. Come on. I mean, there is a chance this could go 200, 300, 400 a contract. We have about a minute left in this candle. Let's see if it can come down there. Good morning, Ravashan. Trying to get short 18.14 here in gold, Rav. Let's see what happens. We're very close to a ZL, and we probably will have one at the end of this candle, which is going to make it aggressive. I would really love to see this thing just collapse gold. Come on. 18.14. I'm taking it regardless, so I'm ready to take this. Start taking profits at 6 ticks. At 10 seconds until a new candle. All right, so for all intensive purposes, this is a ZL right now. I am still taking this trade at 18.14 short if it gets down there. it now becomes an aggressive trade. So we're not in it right now because we didn't get filled. It's going to do one of two things. It's going to come down here and fill me at 1814, or it's going to go all the way back up to 1817. All right, but the only thing I'm looking to do is to get short 1814. Again, it is aggressive because there's a ZL in the way. Other than that, it wouldn't be aggressive. So I am making what? I'm making a decision for myself and you. Not, I'm not making a decision for you. I'm making a decision for myself. If it comes back down to 1814, I'll be short. If it doesn't come back down to 1814, I won't be short. Come on. In a perfect world, if this trade really moved, it could get down as low as 1808.50 in a perfect world. That ZL is there, so it is aggressive. I'm still taking the trade at 1814 if it comes down there to get short. So we're going to see what happens. Come on. I would love for this to go 200, 300, 400 a contract. First, I have to get filled, right? After getting filled, then start taking profit at 6 ticks. And again, it's going to have potentially some trouble getting through the 1813. I would just love to see this collapse. Come on. Come on. We got the stock market opening up in approximately 15 minutes, guys. Approximately 15 minutes. I'm looking to get short in gold at 1814. And because of the ZL, that could actually make a new high. But I'm not interested in that. Let's see what happens here. Good morning, Dakota. So the ZL is pushing this thing up. I'm not in anything to the long side. I'm looking to get short 1814. Then if I can get below that 13.10, I have to see what happens. That would be great. I'm on 1814. Look at the, I am looking to get short 1814 here in gold. And again, it's aggressive because we have a ZL in the way, but I'm taking the trade. I'm going in with a smaller size and so on and so forth. If I can even get filled. Good morning, Chris. Christy. So that's what's happening right now. It's almost like a buoy. It's holding it up, the ZL. Come on. 1814, I will be short on gold. Again, because it's a little bit more aggressive, I have less contracts than I would certainly normally go in with. So we're always looking at risk. Always looking at risk. Come on. Get down there at 1814. Come on. And as always, I start taking profits at 6 pennies. And then we get into a free trade. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Let's push this over here for a second. That's horrible. Look at it. Taking a sneak peek here. Crude. Miserably slow, which is fine. It should be a very, very interesting open. Just over 10 minutes until the open. We're staying right between the ORs and crude, which is fine. Very close to the ZL there as well. And we shall see. Good morning, Rich B. So again, let's all be aware that the candles may be larger than normal. I would not be surprised if we have some 5, 10, even 15-point candles. So an individual stop, where you have your stop must, have something to do with what your expectations are in the marketplace. Risk, reward, and all of those happy things. Again, I'm looking to get short 1814 in gold. I am mindful of where we are time-wise. We have a little bit over 8 minutes until the open. And again, for those who just came in, there is a ZL in the way. So I reduce my size, knowing it's aggressive, if it even gets down there. Let's keep an eye on this. See if gold could get down there. Fill me at 18.14, and whoever else is taking the trade. And again, it's a UT, so if it did pull back 20 ticks, you'd have to add. There's a lot to think about. See if this can get down there and fill at 18.14. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, gold. It's getting closer. Push, push, push. I would love to see gold collapse. One step at a time. Again, understand this is aggressive, but I will be short at 18.14. And that is because of the ZL. All right, come on. We have a little bit over 5 minutes before the open in the stock market. Come on. Come on. Come on. Five minutes before the stock market opens up. Look at this market. Oh boy. Funny stuff. Now we have about 4 minutes before the market opens. I still have my order out there at 18.14, and I'll see if I get filled. Market opens up in 4 minutes. Now, if you're thinking or wondering, gee, is it aggressive to have a trade out right at the open? Yeah, but I'm going to keep it out here. I try to get short at 18.14. Getting close. I'd love to see this thing really collapse. Come on. 18.14. 3 minutes until the stock market opens. Come on. Look at it just hanging around. Let's see what happens here. Come on down. Come on. This is Mr. Aggressive Trade here. Come on down. 1814. Come on. Come on. Oof. One tick. Missed it by one tick. Come on down. There we go. I am filled at 1814. I'll start taking profits at 13.4. And I know this is an aggressive trade that I'm in. But the market getting ready to open in 2 minutes. And I know it's going to be hard to get below that 1813.10, but we're going to see what happens. I know that. Come on. Very, very aggressive, this trade I'm in. I'm in here with a small size. And if it goes to 16, then I have to put the other two on. And then I have to try to get out at a total break even. So we'll see what's going to happen here. But this is my choice. I have the open here in 10 seconds. Come on. Come on. And we're open now in the market. Let's see what happens here. Come on, gold. Very, very aggressive I am in this trade. If it goes to 16, then I got to try to get out of 15 for a total break even. And if it goes to 18, then it would be a loss. Come on, go, go. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. I need 3.4, 1813.4 to get into a free trade. 1813.4. Come on, come on, push. Come on. Come on. I understand this is very, very aggressive. I repeat myself too many times. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Get down there. Get down. Oh, come on. Get down there. 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 Go. 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 Again, this is very aggressive, the trade I'm in. Free trade. With a free trade. Don't let your winning trade turn into a losing trade. See, it's having trouble with that 13.1, as I said. Let's see, maybe 12.8 next if it keeps coming down. Maybe 12.8 if it keeps coming down next. 12.8 if it keeps coming down. You see, those circles are tough for it to get below. Don't let your winning trade turn into a losing trade. Don't let your winning trade turn into a losing trade. Very aggressive trade, but it's a winning trade. It's a winning trade. It's a winning trade. we'll mark that up in a second. A little bit of energy against the 12.8. Don't let your winning trade turn into a losing trade. Now, a couple people said that they allowed it to come up. Very good. Allowed it to come up a little bit. Very aggressive, though. Very aggressive. Very, very aggressive. We almost have a 5 ZL right there. Now, again, on this gold, if it gets a little bit more energy, it can get, it's going to take a lot, but if it gets enough energy, it can go all the way. But it's going to have trouble because right here, right where all these circles are really hard to get below. But we're going to see if this thing can keep coming down in gold. There's an outside chance of 1808.50 from the entry. Come on. 1808, there we go. There's 13, 12.8. There's a 12.8. Come on, there's 12.5, 12.4. And now we may see 11.9 possibly, 11.9 next, 11.9 next. And again, don't ever let your winning trade turn into a losing trade. A little more push, we go to 11.9 next on gold. We get a little bit more of a push, we go to 11.9. And then perhaps we get all the way down to 1808.50. And that's going to be a little bit of, okay, there we go. There's 11.9. There's 11.2. There's 10 and change. See, these circles are a real pain, but this is good, right? From 14, some people on from 14.6, 14.7, as you have said. Very good. Now, it's going to have trouble getting any lower, but let's say you have one left and you're at entry. I would hold out for 1808.50 if that's in your game plan. If that's in your game plan. So not too bad. Very, very aggressive trade. You can hear it in my voice. Very aggressive trade. But it produced. Right. If anyone took the trade, I would love to hear it. Or for those who did. Now, this still has a potential. Now, there's a 5 ZL there, so it's going to have trouble. I would say is a 50-50 chance at this point. But how far has it gone already? How far has it gone? Well, it's gone 300 a contract. That's good. If it gets a little bit more energy, which I don't know if it's going to get because of the 5 ZL, so you're at entry with whatever you have left, we're talking 1808.50. So we'll see what happens. Boy, that takes a lot out of you, that trade. Come on, 1808.50. Come on, 1808.50. Wouldn't that be just beautiful? Wouldn't that just be beautiful, 1808.50? 1808. I mean, we would be so fortunate to get 1808.50. Now, if it gets to 1810, it's 400 a contract. So be smart with what's going on. There we go. So here comes 1810. We should see 1810. We better see 1810. There's, okay, good. There's almost the 8.5. Oh my gosh. So what are we talking about here? We're talking about, it went to 9. That's 500 a contract, gentlemen, ladies. Missed so far, which I may not get there now. Missed by one tick. I was off by one tick. But you know what? Are you going to take the 500 a contract? I know you did. So that's good. Whew. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Very well done, guys. Wow, wow, wow. All right. Oof. Takes a lot out of you. It takes a lot out of you. So that's up to 50 ticks. Not too bad. Not too bad. Up to 50 ticks. Now, again, because of the aggressive nature, it's not the kind of trade I'm going to go in there with a ton of contracts. It's not happening. So very, very nice, guys. Now let's see what the market brings to us. It's funny how I phrase that, what the market brings to us. The market doesn't bring anything to us. It's us making it happen. All right, so gold, pretty good, up to $5 a contract. All right, here's our little friend, crude. Everything's very, very close to a 5ZL. But that's a heck of a way to start the day. All right, let's get the OR materials in here. So we have them. Okay, and patience is what we will be. We have a 5ZL on gold and just about on crude. So we need to be very, very patient right now, guys. Very, very patient. Yeah, you know, it did. It took a lot out of me because I knew how aggressive that trade was that some of us took. And my concern was, hey, I may have to add. And we were close. We were close. But fortunately, I didn't have to add. And fortunately, it did come down 50 plus ticks. So everything worked out. Everything worked out. So right now, we have to be patient. All right, we got one W. Very good. One trade. It's 940, 941. All good. All good. And again, the as I said, at 8:20, 8:30, you're going to have big candles today. 5, 10, somewhere even going to be 15 or more point candles. So if on the ES, so you're going to have to be ready for that. You're going to have to be ready for that. Right now we have ZLs in the 5CL and still in gold. So we must be patient. And we really don't have news until 11 o'clock with the oil inventories. I believe we're in good shape. We get the real quickly here. Let me get this in as well. So now we have the OR set up and everything, and we're in great shape. Wow. A lot of craziness in these markets, guys. Good morning, Rock. Big candles. Always remember, when we take a trade, if it's ES, we start taking profits at a point. You're going to need stops that are probably going to be a little bit larger than normal. 88.75 long in ES, 88.75 long in ES, 88.75. I'll be going long in ES. 42.88.75. I'm going to be long in ES. And you start taking profits at a point. $42.88.75. I'm going long. Come on. 42.88.75. I'm going to be going long if it comes back up. Okay, that's not happening. All right, that's fine. All right, this is a trade here. 42.79 quarter short. 42.79 quarter short. That's the trade now. And you're going to have to use a larger stop than normal. 42.79 quarter short. $42.79 quarter short. We'll start taking profits at a point, gentlemen, ladies. So forget the long trade now. 42.79 quarter short. There is a chance this makes a tremendous move. So let's hope that happens. 42.79 quarter short. Come on down. 42.79 quarter short. That's going up. 42.79 quarter short. We need to know potentially where we're going based on where we've been. Well, look at that. It's a hell of an eyeball there. Got lucky. All right, 42.79 quarter. I'll be short. Come on down. 42.79 quarter. The YM is heading back up a little bit right to its OR. So that's going to put a lot of pressure on the ES. Remain patient. See how big the candles are, guys? I'm still looking at 79 quarter, 42.79 quarter to go short. We have one trade that went up to $500 per contract. Huge trade on gold. That's where we are right now, but we're trying to get short 42.79 quarter. Let's see what happens. Come on, 42.79 quarter. Where are you? Now, there is a chance when it gets down there that it absolutely tanks. All right, we start taking profits at a point. We don't allow our winning trade to turn into a losing trade. And if it did pull back a few points, 2-3 points because of the size of these candles, then we would have to add and try to get out at a break even. And again, on the gold, we didn't have to add. Let's see what happens here in the ES. 42.79 quarter. We're trying to get short. It is 9:49 and 30 seconds on 7/8 of 2021. I wish the YM would get off of the OR because it's putting a lot of upward pressure on the ES as well. So it's going to be patient. 42.79 quarter. 42.79 quarter. I'm hoping this can go anywhere from 3 to 8 points on the ES if we get filled. But we start taking profits at a point. And we don't allow our winning trade to turn into a losing trade. Summer times in May and June and July as well. Everything's swell. Oof. Do, 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 do. Out of curiosity, if anybody was an OR taker there in the ES, I would love to hear it. Wow. Unbelievable. That is wonderful, 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 wonderful. So now we have to wait. We have to wait. Very, very large candles, guys. Very large candles. Oh. And we have a new candle coming out here in 2 seconds. Look at the size of these candles. My gosh. Interesting that they took that. Anybody in here? Any of my guys take the opening range trade? Okay. Thank you, Bill. Oh, nice. All right. Nope. That happens to be part of the methodology, so we don't really go into it. Now, if I call it, that's a whole different story. Then it's a call a trade. That was 88.75. No, Chris. There's nothing to do. We don't trade 1 minute bars. Has nothing to do with it. I was hoping we would get above the 43. At this point, we have to be patient. That's fine. That's fine. All right, we're coming up on 10 o'clock. Let's see if we can have family trade number 2, one step at a time. All right. Damn, I don't have this measured. Darn it. Okay. Again, we don't know where we're going unless we know where we've been. 71.22 short in crude if we get there. 71.22 short. Boy, crude's really just in a relaxed state right now. Right here, 71.22 short. Listen up very carefully. Nothing to do right this second, but there may be something. So listen up, please. You're going to have to listen up very carefully. If this goes, let this thing go up. We got this. There's nothing to do, so there was already something to do, but that's okay. If this gets up above 43.02, we're going to try to get short 43.01 quarter if it comes back. So as long as it goes above 43.02, I'm going to put my order in immediately after that and try to get short 43.01 quarter. So it's got to be really fast. All right, we have 15 seconds until 10 o'clock. All right, so that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for it to get above really 43.0250 would be good. And then I'm going to try to get short 43.01 quarter. So hopefully it can go and then come back down, and potentially it could be a very large move. So at the top of the hour. Also, don't forget here, 71.22. I'm going to go short 71.22. Keep an eye on that in crude. Actually, hold on a second. Is this out of the way? That's out of the way. That's right. Nah, I can't do it. It's right at the overnight. All right, gotta wait. All right, it's fine. Actually, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. 4,300 long if we get up there. If we go back to 4,300, looking to get long. And again, I'm not going to keep repeating myself because it's laborious. But we always start taking profits at a point. Once we're in a free trade, we hold on to that free trade. We don't let it turn into a losing trade. Now this is still on the table downstairs here, but I think we're going to have to change it. 42.8150 short. 42.8150. Very fluid here. 42.8150 short. 42.8150 short. It's a very fluid situation here. 42.8150. A lot of movement, as we discussed, pre-market. 42.8150 short. Or if it comes back up to 4,300 long. All right? I want to make sure everybody's on the same page. Everybody with me? I just want you to know what I'll be doing here. Either 42.81.50 short or 4,300 long. All right. Very, very important that we all understand what we're doing here. Thank you. And we need to make sure. I would love for it to come back here. 4,300, boom. Go long. Much rather see 4,300. 4,300 long, 4,300 long. Come on. $4,300 long. $4,300 long, and we're starting to take profits at a point. Come on, get up there. We have to give it a little bit of room. 4,300 long on the ES. Hopefully it'll go at least to 150, hopefully to 04 or higher. One step at a time. We have to get filled first. 4,300. That's what I'm trying to do here. 4,300. Come on. Get up there. 4,300 long. Let's go, baby. $4,300 long. Let's go. Push. Again, I have to take trades that I believe have an 80% certainty in my mind that they're going to work out successfully. That, of course, means that I've seen the same trade happen many times. Still looking for 4,300 long on the ES. That's what I would like to see. Very fluid situation. 4,300 long. We start taking profits at a point, blah, blah, blah. And hopefully it explodes through the top. Come on. Come on. Turn around. Turn around. Oh, gosh. Get up there. Again, 4,300 long. Come on. Get up there. 4,300 long. The market won't commit to anything. Well, we're waiting. Get up there. We certainly can't force the market to do anything. But if it gets up to 4,300, I'll be long. Right now, that's what's on the table. 4,300 long. There's nothing else on the table. Get up there, market. Get up. Come on now, 4,300 long. Let's go. Where's the love? We want love from the market. 4,300 long. Let's go. I've got to be patient here. Okay, Rock, what was the question? If you could just pop it in there again. I was focusing on the market here. If you could just pop it in there, please. I didn't get the question. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. No, it's the methodology that I created. It's not me. Look at this. All right, again, we got to come back down here. 42.8150 short. 42.8150 short. It's either going to be 42.8150 short or 43 right now, or 4,300 long, whichever happens first, period. That's it. I hope it's 4,300, okay? I'd much rather the 4,300 happen. I mean, the first trade that we had, which was the gold, okay, I knew that was aggressive going in, but, you know, it paid off, you know, in a huge way. Now, 4,300 long in the ES. We'll see what happens. Or if it comes down, you know, 42.8150. I'd rather be able to get long. Oh my gosh. Come on. Still looking to get long 4,300. I will be long if it gets up there to 4,300. Come on, ES. Wow. It's just whippy back and forth. At 4,300's calling our name. All in here, though, there's nothing happening. Nothing that has a high conviction rate. And you don't want to play around and chop because that's not smart. Get up there. Get up to 4,300. Come on. Let's go on a little ride, Mr. Market. Try to figure out a couple things. All right. So let's say we get long 4,300. That's what I'm trying to do if it goes there. No, there is a chance it could get the 4,308 or higher if we have enough energy. My, oh my. Oh my. What are you doing, market? What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Get up there. I much rather it get the 4,300 so I could be long at this point. But we have to wait. We have to wait. I have to take high probability trades. All right, again, 42, 81, 50 short. Right? It's either or. Look at this market. My gosh. $42, 81, 50 short. Come on. If you're going to do it, do it. I'm just talking to the screens, guys. YM's right at the bottom of the OR. Again, 42, 81, 50. I'll take that if I have to. $42.81.50, I'll be short. And perhaps it gets as low as $77.50. $42.81.50, I'll be short. Come on. Come on. Push down. Come on down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Looking for 81.50 short. 81.50. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. 81.50. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. I want to see this thing go right down to 77.50, hopefully. 81.50 short. If we have to add, it would be up to 84 because of the volatility. 42.81.50 short. Come on. Come on, market. Come on. Come on. Stay away from that. Stay away from that. Come on. Come on down. 81.50. 81.50, I'm getting short. And if I have to add, it would be 84. 81.50. And hopefully this can go all the way down. Oh, don't stop there. Gee whiz. Come on. Trying to get short 81.50. If everything works out just right, it can get down to perhaps 42.77.50, maybe lower. 81.50, 81.50, 81.50. Come on, baby. Come on, 81.50. Let's go. Push. Come on, 81.50, 81.50, 81.50. Push. 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 Will you push? Oh, my gosh. 81.50. Where's 81.50 for my short? Let's go. Push. I want to see this collapse. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. Oh, almost a free trade. Free trade. Don't let your winning trade turn into a loser. If we're really, really fortunate, it goes all the way down to 77.50. Don't let your winning trade turn into a losing trade. Okay. Now, if it gets down to 42.79 quarter, and you're not in this trade or you're out, there's a short 42.79 quarter for those who don't really know what they're doing. 42.79 quarter. That's a short as well. 42.79 quarter is a short as well. So this is a free trade. And then if it gets down to 42.79 quarter, that's another opportunity. $42.79 quarter. Come on, come on, come on. 42.79 quarter. Come on, down. 42.79 quarter. 42.79 quarter. Come on, come on. Push the hell down. 42.79 quarter. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Where's the love? Push down there. Oh my gosh. That was an intermediate level. Come on. Come on. Come on. 62579. And now we're waiting for 42.79 quarter. Come on. This is a small little winner. 42.79 quarter. Yeah, let me get that in there so we know where we're at. Now we're coming up on 10:30. It was either going to be little or it was coming all the way down to 77.50. So hopefully we could get down to 42.79 quarter. And that'll be another opportunity. This only went for 1 point. That's all it did. Again, this market will eat you up, chew you up, and spit you out. 42.79 quarter. What do we got? 3 minutes. 42.79 quarter. See how big these candles are, guys? 42.79 quarter. 42.79 quarter short. 42.79 quarter short. 42.79 quarter. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. 42.79 quarter. 42.79 quarter. That inverted puppy right there is a problem. 42.79 quarter. Come on now. 42.79 quarter. Show us the love. It's 42.79 quarter. An inverted puppy dog there. Look at this. Crazy, huh? There we go. We have 10:30 coming up. Keep going. Again, at this point, if it goes to 4,300, we have a long. Right, so this only went for 1 point. So 4,300, and we have a long. Come on, go. 4,300. Come on. As I said, we're going to see candles 5, 10, 15 or more points. That's exactly what we're seeing. $4,300 long. All right, it's 10:30. Let's see if it can get up there. We'll start taking profits at a point. If we have to add, it would be down to a 97. 4,300 long. Come on, baby. $4,300. Oh my gosh, I tell you, it's crazy stuff. Absolutely crazy. You know what I'm saying? 4,300 long. $4,300 long. Wow. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that's right at the top there. Damn. Never mind. I got excited for a second with crude, but there's nothing to do. I got excited for a second. Actually, there is. I take that back. 72.19 long in crude. I didn't see that. 72.19 long in crude. 72.19. Still looking to get long 4,300, gentlemen and ladies. Still looking to get long if we can get to 4,300. Really, what's keeping that from getting any higher right this second anyway is the YM, because it's sort of like in a ZL territory, but there's a ZL there. So the ES still looking to get long 4,300. Gets the 4,300, I'll be long. What an incredibly tricky market. Sort of. You know, the one thing that's been really amazing is, of course, the LRs. 4,300. Come on, 4,300. Come on, Liz. Unbelievable, guys. There's that. Right. On the ES, 42.79 quarter short. 42.79 quarter short. Very tricky markets, very large candles. Very, very tough. So it's either going to be, guys, 42.79 quarter short or 4,300 long. At this point, I'll take either one, but I'd rather have, I guess, the 79 quarter short. YM, freaking, this is ZL there. It's very tricky stuff. It's either one or the other. So make sure you're ready. It's either going to be 42.30 long or 42.79 quarter short. Oh, come on, do something. 42.79 quarter short. I'm gonna make the move, market. Do it already. You're getting on my nerves. Wow. Come on. 42.79 quarter short. And if we had to add, it would be 3 points up. 42.79 quarter short. Come on, you crazy market. Come on, you crazy market. Wow. Oof. Come on down. 42.79 quarter. Come on. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. 42.79 quarter. I'll be short. And if we have to add, it would be 3 points above that. And hopefully it just tanks. Come on. Hopefully it just tanks. Come on. Come on. It's got to go through all these levels and play little games, and that's okay. We have to wait. 42.79 quarter. It's got to play the little game here. There's nothing being forced or any of those things. That's the key. It's either going to happen or it's not going to happen. 42.79 quarter. I know. I hope it tanks. Wow. It's hard to look, isn't it? 42.79 quarter. Nothing else to do. That's it. That's the only thing we have to do now is 42.79 quarter. Unless it sneaks up there to 4,300. I don't see how it's going to do that. I don't see how that's going to happen anytime soon. Come on, just get down there, market, huh? Come on. Come on. 42.79 quarter. Let's go. Come on. I'm going to see this thing crack. 42.79 quarter. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. All right. 42.79 quarter. Let's go. Move it. Single file. It's taken forever to take out these levels. It's disgusting. Truly is. Those 5 ZLs are a real pain. Come on down. Come on down. And again, if I have to add, it would be 3 points higher. The 82 quarter, if I have to add. All right, 79 quarter. Will you get down there already? Gee whiz. We're getting old here. We're getting old. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right. Oh, this is tough. Come on down. Does everybody see? You don't have to answer. It's rhetorical. But you see how slow. You see it's very methodical what's going on right now. Very methodical. It's a pain in the rear, isn't it? That's very methodical. We're trying to get short 42.79 quarter. Come on. Come on. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Inverted puppy. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of these candles. Again, if it gets to 42.30, regardless of anything, I'm going long. Okay? If it gets up there to 42.30, I will be long. And it could potentially be an unbelievable trade. I have to be ready for it. 42.30. A very fluid market. Very, very fluid. All right, we talked about the volatility. We're getting a lot of it. But this 4,300, I'll be long. And if I have to add, it would be down to 97. And again, there is a chance it could get all the way up to 43.07 or higher if we get filled. But we always start taking profits at a point. It's a very nutty market. See what happens. 4,300, yes, I will be long. I'm going to need to take ibuprofen when we're done with this. Come on. $4,300, I'll be long. Come on. And again, my ad, if I have to, would be at 42.97. Gee whiz. Wow. Get up there. Just move. Do something. Do something that fits with what we do. So I'll say it again. It's either going to be 42.79 quarter short or 4,300 long, whatever happens first. And right now, I don't see anything else. So we have to be patient. Can you imagine if you were trading, just taking your own stuff? What would happen? I mean, I don't think it would be a good thing. But we're very resilient, and so on and so forth. We try to be very smart with what we're doing. This looks like a real terrible EKG. 42.79 quarter. It's either 42.79 quarter or 4,300. Also, at the top of the hour, we have the oil report coming out. Come on, do something. Yes. So we know exactly what we're doing, whether it's a short or a long. There are no in-betweens. Now, with a market like this, you're not going to use a 10, 12-point stop, right? That would be not smart. Come on down. Come on down. Very, 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 very tricky market. Come on down. $42.79 quarter short. Come on. And again, for me, if I have to add, it would be 3 points above that because of the volatility. Oh boy. Got about 8 minutes until the oil report. Still looking for those two opportunities, whether it's going to be a short, hopefully, or a long. A little stretch there. 4,300 if it gets there, or 42.79 quarter. Either or. The average size of the candles has been over 5 points if you take them all. Pretty amazing stuff. Quite amazing. 4,300 if it gets up there. Let it go with what the market's going to do and what it's telling us. Just the way it is. Get up there. Do something. Wow. This is slow. We have oil in 4 minutes. All right, so with the ES, again, the parameters are the same. It's either 79.25 short or 4,300 long. It's almost like they know what we're waiting for. They don't, but you know what I'm saying. Let's see what goes on. It's better than getting chopped up, isn't it? $4,300 long, that would be good. I'm going to take whatever happens first. At some point today, and I would be shocked if it doesn't retest the low. This is horrible. All right, thank God for the gold trade. All right, so we're looking for 42.79 short. Come on, just move already. It's really, it's doing a lot of fake outs, which I'm okay with. Because we know what we're waiting for. This is the discipline of this methodology, period. I mean, especially in a day like today. I mean, you really can get chewed up. Any of us, all of us. But 42.79 quarter, I would love to see that. So I could be short. Come down, my friend. The oil report comes out in a couple seconds. 42.79 quarter. Let's go. Let's move it. Let's move it. Let's move it. That was good. 42.79 quarter. That's what we're waiting for here as a family. Oh my gosh. 42.79 quarter. 42.79 quarter. All right, so the inventories came out. Huge drawdown on gasoline. That's going to send. We don't trade the news. It's going to send freaking crude through the roof. Let's just wait for our numbers here. Wow, that's crazy. All right, let's see if we can hopefully on the ES get down there. Wow. This is very upsetting. Interesting. He moved that down so nobody sees. That's weird. Hmm. All right. 42.79 quarter. For short. Come on, ES, do something. You silly goose. You little goose. Wow, wow, wow. My, oh my. Let's take a look. The 10-year U.S. mortgage rates, by the way, hit their lowest level since wintertime. Let's see, I just saw that. And the 10 years at 1.285. I'm going to get short at 42.79 quarter if it gets there. Hopefully it does. And hopefully the market tanks from there. So repositioning is probably going to start to occur for the close of the European markets. So hopefully they retest the low. If not, I'll be long 4,300. Come on. Come on, do something. All I ask is you do something. Anything you can do, we can do better. Anything you can do, we can do too. What's it all about when I scream and shout? What's it all about when I scream and shout? Let's see what the market's going to do. If it gets up to 4,300, I will be long. You know, if you feel like you're having trouble just sitting there and so on and so forth, I'm with you. It's the way I am. We all have a lot of dopamine running through our brains doing this kind of work. So that's okay. 4,300 long, it will be. And doing what we do sets off those neurotransmitters like there's no tomorrow. 4,300, let's go. 4,300, I'll be long. And if I have to add, it will be at 42.97. Now, there is a chance this can go all the way to 43.08 or higher. But if we get into a trade, we always start taking profits at a point. I don't care which way it goes. Just go. By the way, crude, there was a big drawdown, almost 7 million barrels versus the 4. But the more interesting one was the gasoline. 4,300 long. Come on now. 4,300. Let's go, baby. Do something. Do something. Do something. Start taking profits at a point. This is discipline. This is patience. 4,300. Let's go. Let's go. Clean up this mess. Come on. Come on. 4,300 long. Come on. Push. Come on. Come on. 4,300 long. Come on, baby. Come on. 4,300. Give it to me. Again, if I have to add, it would be down 3 points below the 4,300. Hopefully this explodes straight through the top. 4,300. Let's go. 4,300. Come on. 4,300. Go. Let's go. 4,300. Almost. Almost. Oh my God. I do see the little ZLs in the way. It's all right. I'm taking it. Just like I took the gold. 4,300 long. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Almost. Come on. Explode through the top. Look how close. My gosh. One tick. 4,300 long. Let's go. Oh, my gosh. All right, come on. Gonna make one more run of it. Let's go. I hope this explodes through the top. 4,300. I'm getting long. Come on. And again, if I have to add, it would be at 97. Come on, get up there. Come on. Push. Get up. Get up there. Wow. Almost filled. So I take a profit at 01. And if I have to add, it would be 3 points down at 97. Get up there. Just like take a profit at 01. Get up there. Shoot through the top, baby, huh? Shoot through the top, huh? Let's go. Move it. All right, come on. Let's get up there. Push. Come on, do the right thing. Don't goof around. Let's go. So I take a profit at 01. Again, if I have to add, it's down at 97. And then I would try to get out of the total break even. Get up there. So with the goofing around already, huh? Get up there. Through the top, honey, huh? Come on. Through the top. Through the top. Get up now. Go. Go. The hell up there. Oh my gosh. What a battle. Look at these 4,300 battles. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh. Go. Get up there. Oh my gosh. Go. Go. Get up there. So everybody see this battle going on? We're long 4,300. Come on. Do the right thing. Come on, market. Get up there. Get up there. Straight through the top. Come on. So I take a profits at 01. Come on. I can't believe it. Come on. Push. 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 Oh my God. Get up there. Get up there. Wow. Get up there. Again, if I have to add, it's down there at 97. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. $97 would be the add. Come on. All right, so 98.50. This comes down to 94. The trade's over. Trying to get out at 98.50 now. 98.50 for a total break even. Total break even at 98.50. It comes down to 94. The trade's over. Get up to 98.50. What a battle up there. Holy moly. Get up there. Get up there. Get up to 98.50. Get up to 98.50. Get me out for a break even. Get up to 98.50, damn it. Get up there. Get up there. Get up to 98.50. Get up there. Got the quarter. Got the 98 quarter. Didn't quite get up to 98.50. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. Oh my God, a quarter again. Jeez. Go, 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 go. It went to a quarter again. That was 850. All right, out for a total break even. Who's out for a total break even? Everybody should be out for a total break even. Oof. Tough stuff. Very good. Yeah, it's very, very, very tough sledding. Very, very tough sledding. Bottom line is we had two trades, one in gold. I'm sorry, two in ES, and now this will take off, but whatever the case, we're going to be done. There it goes. And that's okay. Very tough. Very, very tough. So 1 pointer on the ES and big trade in gold. And now if whoever took this again that knows the methodology, it could get all the way up. Could go 10, 15, 20 points. I don't know how far it's going to go. Could go as high as 07 next if it really wants to. Comes back down to the 1/4, it's going to have trouble. That's where knowing the methodology certainly does help. But bottom line is, no one got hurt. Before we get out of here, well, we're going to wait to see if this can maybe get up those 708 in a couple minutes. Does anybody have any questions? Never enough questions, ever. You really want to have questions, especially on a day like today. All right, fantastic. All right, I'm going to leave the charts up, guys. Very well done day. All right, we did a very good. Yeah, and I'm with you, Bill. That was tough. The hammer was tough. You know, very tough day, but you know, fruitful for some, and that's fine. So I want everybody to have a great day. We didn't have any losing trades again. I like that. And I'll see everybody back here tomorrow. Thank you, guys, and please enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.